So I have here some electronic screwdriver. It's not working. I have charged it, but it gets hot without any function. I bought it for, I don't know how much, about €9 or €15, maybe 4 years ago. And now let's see what is inside of this beauty. I used it. It was pretty good at the beginning, but now maybe battery is dead. But I'm interested what kind of motor it has inside, so I'm going to open it if I can and see what's inside of it. Let's open. Okay, this is our first screw. I will tear off this electronical screwdriver with manual screwdriver. So first screw is out. Now second one. So let's try to get this out. Maybe not. Okay. Doesn't want to open. It's very deep and I think stuck. Okay, this side is also not opening. From bottom. Okay, bottom side. I managed to turn this. So screws are a little bit long and head is not sharp, as you see here. I don't know, it looks cheap. It really looks cheap. Okay. Let's try to break it. I'm trying to loosen parts because these two screws are not going to turn anyway. So this is broken here. I turned it too hard and yeah, it's broken. So there's dust inside. This also doesn't want to open. Okay, let's use this one's too small. This is Phillips 1. Phillips 0 doesn't fit as well. Then I'm using flathead. Let's see if it. Okay, I'll try to open this to this flathead screwdriver. Okay, I managed to open this one. Let's see what's wrong with this screw here. Okay. It actually looks pretty good, but so maybe this is the wrong one, but okay, no problem. And now this one here. Okay, this opens. So I have light here, red light. I charged it for 6 hours, I think. It just got hot, and I'm pretty sure that there's something wrong with its battery pack. At least I will take motor and connect it, but I want to know what kind of motor we have inside. So it is, let's focus. It is 8 volt. So I have another motor. I bought it. I'm waiting for that. It's 24 volt. Maybe I will install new batteries and new motor inside this case, or I'm thinking about to make new prototype with 3D pen. But first I have to see how these things are built. So is there any other screw here? Okay, one here. You see, one screw is hidden. So it's always the same. If you can't open any electronic object, just check under such name tags. Under them there is always some small hole, and they hide screws under them. So this little beauty. From other side we have the same here. Oppa. Okay, now I will open it. Refresh your tea and look. Let's see what is inside of it. I disinfected my hands, so this tool will not get any viruses. This operation is clean. I'm opening it. Be ready. Okay, in slow motion. Ta-dam. So it's just plastic case. Impressive. Let's see if I can make wide mode. Okay, wide angle. I have some cake here. Okay, I put my cup. It's beautiful. Okay, look at that. So this is how battery powered hand drill or hand screwdriver is built. Batteries, starter, how to call this, switch. I don't know what is this here. Here we have our lights, button, motor and gears. So we take gear out. So let's take some toilet paper. Put some here. And look what is inside this gearbox. So we turn. I take these gears out. They all have the same size. Okay, let's see. Let's make it 0. These gears are 14.08. All have the same size. I have kind of liquid here, maybe Vaseline or another liquid that keeps them work very smooth. So 3 gears, I can use them in my other products. And we have rotary barrel for screw bits. Okay, something happened here. It's over here. Okay. Oof, what's that? Disgusting shit. So we have this one. I think that was something in this position. So when they turn, these three turns this one, and this turns, and when this one turns, I can turn it now. This gear turns, and this one. What are these things? There's two iron pieces here. They are not magnetic. Look at this. So let's check the diameter. Just see. Let's make it inch. 4 millimeter. So something exactly 4 millimeter. This one here. I forgot where the location. Here. I think they were somewhere here inside of this. Place. So I think yes. As you see, it's not perfectly round, so they stay here. It's kind of ABS brake, maybe. As you see, they turn and everything turns. This barrel is secured with iron piece. Let's try to take it out. So I have now 6 gears for my D project. Oh, everywhere this liquid. Okay, this iron piece, I don't know what to do with it. I don't need it, but I definitely need this small part. So put some here. I don't need this as well. I just threw them away. Clean my hands. So interesting. Let's try to break it. I don't know how to take this out. Moment. So I'm back again. I don't know how to take this out. Moment, I look closer. So I've broken my 2 fingers and damaged my screwdriver, but I take this security out, so it's something like this one. Now I take this barrel out. Okay, It's one solid piece, maybe magnet, I don't know, let's check it. There is magnet inside here, as you see. Okay, I don't think it will be possible to take it apart. So I can use this in other project as well. Cut it to do, maybe create pencil. Okay, something happened to this camera. Okay, for now we have gears, we have some useless things. I threw them out. Okay, they go to middle. This is beautiful. Look. Good, okay, I keep that also. I have this one here, this throw away. What is this? So many small parts. It's not so cheap actually. So what can I do with this one? It's useful. Okay, I keep that one. Throw away this one. Then I have this part here. Let's see if and so this is also useless. I don't need this one. This cap, I don't need it. Throw away. Okay, I make some cleaning here. A minute. Okay, I'm back. I cleaned everything. Now we go to this part. So we have these batteries. Normally, what was the name of that 3.7 volt batteries for e-cigarettes? I use 1865O. These big batteries. But here we have Xinjiang batteries, 1.2 volt each one. So overall we have here 4.8. That means exactly here. We see here. Moment. We don't see. Why don't we see that? So I'm taking video with Huawei P30 Lite. It's good mobile phone with beautiful camera, but now because of the sun it makes some kind of weird things. Don't want to focus. Okay, as you see, I showed you at the beginning, it's DC 4.8 volt. Again to light mode. So let's see what's wrong with these batteries. Oh, look. What's the name of this process? Oxidized? I don't know. So batteries are dead. I think. Okay. Batteries are dead. They have this piece here. What is this? Some kind of paper. Okay, this away. We have this shelter, sweets. Oh my god. Okay, this is. Okay, here we have our batteries. What happened to this battery? What do you think? Is it usable or should I throw them away? So I think it's already dead, and there is some security issues with these batteries. So batteries are dead. So look what happened to these batteries. How to show it? As you see, I will just cut them away. Moment. So I got these batteries. Also, what you think? Which one first? Red or yellow? Or we have also black ones here. So it's very important moment. 80 more. I don't know that English song. Okay, let's make red one cut. No, I cut yellow one first. Nothing happened. Nothing happened. Good. Zack. So look. Wow. It's not good. NCD AA 700 ampere 1 2 volt hingegangen blah 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 blah. So that means I can use an ordinary batteries. Also this, I don't know how to pronounce it. I don't know what's that. I use such batteries in my digital camera. And 700 milliampere. So Hingang. I never seen such batteries actually. This is made in Germany, I think, somewhere written Germany, Rossmann or something like that. So if I use two 3.7 volt, it's not good. Then I can use rechargeable two double AA batteries that I use for my flashlights. I can put them. They are very good. Quality is good. I think I can repair it and make it work again, but this is what I kept from Gero, so I shouldn't have to throw that other things away. Okay, I don't need this one as well. I need only motor, and we are making our operation Vita. So useless batteries now. Actually, if there is some problems, you don't have to throw your gear. You can just change the batteries without breaking your whole system, and it should work. But you have to always read what states here, and don't put big batteries. Don't make it 6-8 volt, or don't connect it to 12 volt. I don't know, maybe there is some chargers that will give you automated something. Okay, I put it away. That was glued here. We have here our switch. So this switch is not working as well. There's so much mess inside of it. Okay, let's take them out. Interesting. Okay, that was connected to batteries, two black ones, but I cut also red one here. How many wires I have cut? I don't remember. The three black ones, one yellow and one red one. So that means this was connected to batteries, this as well, and these two. That means one goes to positive, this goes to light, this switch, and then this one, black, was for charging batteries. Yes, it is charging. Hold, power in. So this charger, let's see what states on this. This is our charger, AC DC adapter, output 9 volt, 500 milliampere, input normal, standard, everything. So this sign here, no grounding, so no security cable of the Schutzkabel needed. This sign means it. So this is our adapter. I can't use this adapter, I think. I need 12 or 24 volt for my new motor. So maybe I will use this adapter someday. I keep it. We have here light. So that means I get light from power. Then I connect power here. From this wire I put, let's see, energy into batteries. From this wire, red one, I get light on one of these bulbs. It shows me if I'm charging. So plus side, minus side, it is for controlling. So that was connected to battery. That means when I disconnect it from power, it takes energy from this cable wire and this one. We have here positive and negative somewhere. Okay, I will try to somehow turn them on. I don't use this one, but I can make them light if I connect them to other battery. I will do that. This one, I don't need this one, I just break it off. So I throw this away. This is good here, I will use it, but look what happened. This is broken. This is old. This is useless. So I don't need this one as well. Okay, I break it. One was here, one was here. What is this small piece here? I don't know. Maybe keep it. It sounds good. Tick, 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 tick. Okay. Throw away these wires as well. This looks like a train. I can use it in other project. Put some on train. Yeah, it's interesting thing. Okay, I keep it. Then we go to our switch. What we have here. So a switch had two wires, two batteries. It was connected with batteries, not with power inlet. So I think it could be possible to connect them with adapter and get energy directly to this switch, and then use our motor without batteries connected to adapter. let's just okay, this switch has 7.2 volt, 6 or 6 or I don't know what's written here. 0. I can't read it. It's real small. So we had this one plus minus yeah, father and neutral. Okay, I just break some. So for now we know how this tool works, how it gets energy, how it turns on, and problem is this switch is also not working. There is no works. Okay, you have to push harder. Okay, this is good, not bad. Also black was here, red was here. Then we have again 3 wires, one wire, this black one. What was that? Throw it away. What is this? With help of this, as you see, and we have here 4 wires. So red and black. This is another switch to turn this motor to. This is light, not turning. Okay. For our extra light, somewhere we had this light. When we use this one, check. We have iron piece there also. When we connect these two copper, okay, I don't know the names of them. When we connect these two, we get light here. So we have our bulb here, and from that means when we use this switch, power goes to this light as well, and we have light. I will keep these small cables because for next project I need them. Okay, now I have light bulb. So it's good. That means I can directly connect it from here and here to battery, and I will get light. I can make small key light or keychain light. I keep it. This is good. This switch I don't need it because I already threw away the part, small part inside. Okay, sometimes you don't have to throw away everything. Now we come to the interesting part. Of a motor. But before I show you this case again, this is pretty well made. I think 3D printed. It looks so definitely not handmade. It's pretty solid. Good in hands. Let's see if I can make video wide. No, it's a maximum wide position of video. So it's working. Just imagine that you have motor and batteries inside and it will work. So I put these small screws again inside. I will use this case for other project or like a base model or look at that and create my own 3D form, or just put it in silicone and fill it with, I don't know, with something, hot glue, and get hot glue drill. So screws are safe. Something wrong, but okay, good. I just threw them inside it. Zack. So I put it somewhere here. After 2 years, I will take it again. Now we have, let's make some cleaning. Now, interesting part, motor. This is our switch. Check. I disconnect this switch. I just break it. When I need new, I can use new contact. Okay. I can melt them down and connect new wires if I need. The problem is, there is also some melting point here, I think. Also something is wrong with this plate. Yeah, phone doesn't want to focus somehow. Okay, hope you see this. Something wrong with focusing. Okay, see? What do you think? Is it usable or just throw away and buy new switch? On, off, on. So in middle position off, on, counterclockwise, clockwise, and we have our wiring here. So it's not hard to know which wire goes where. Also, I need 2 wires somewhere here for electricity, energy. 2 wires goes to motor, and this is pretty good one, I think. Okay, let's see what's inside this switch. Let's break it. So we all want to see how this is made of. Quality check. This side. So as you see, interesting. When I push it, there is only one direction. Interesting. When I push it so, as you see, and push it in this direction, it goes back and forward. But when I take it out, I can push it in the middle. Okay, let's break it also and see what says under this one. I need small. Hopefully I will not break my screwdriver. I don't want to break it. I take this big one So as you understand, I will not use this piece because I'm going to destroy it if I can. Okay, I turn lights on. Now we have a little bit more light. I don't want to focus somehow. I have enough light here. I don't want to harm my fingers. There has to be some way to get inside of it. Let's put it here. Something broken. Okay. Let's put something like that. Try to break it. Okay, plate is broken. Little bit. So this goes left, right. Actually, I have tool to make it moment. So I managed to open this a little bit. This little dirty knife. I put knife here and turn it like this one. Now we will see what's inside. Okay, we have inside this sweet something like. Let's make it. So this is what we have inside these sweets of clockwise and counterclockwise. We had this one inside and this piece. So somehow when I pressed it from top side, left and right, it had contact to these sides here, you see. Clockwise, counterclockwise. So this is what inside this drill sweets. So let's go back. Okay, in wide angle there's no focus. Let's go back to 1x. Okay. In wide angle camera of this phone, it has focusing problems. When I use normal standard lens of the phone, there is no focusing issues, as you see. So no wide angle. This is our switch. So now it's pretty useless. I've broken it in the name of useless science. Me. So this is what we have from switch. No focusing again. Okay. What can I do with this one? Nothing. I just threw it away. Motor. This is good. And we have one more gear here. So okay, it's centered. Oops, I take this out. I put some toilet paper again under this one because there is so much liquid. Oh, okay. It has no smell. This is our motor, Xinjiang motor, 4.8 volt. This our wires. I will put some battery and check if it works. Moment. I'm back with battery packs. So I have 3 volt CR2 batteries. Where I use them, I already forgot. I think I bought them for my camera. They are for in which camera I use them. Okay, I don't remember. Okay, I just open them. One of them, I will have 3 volt here. They are new. So we have our motor. Before opening it and looking inside, I just want to connect it to power and see how it works. My fingers are a little bit smooth because of this liquid. I can't take. Okay. You know what? I can use this one to take that piece off. There's something in front of it, so I cut it a little bit here. A little bit, zack. A little bit here, zack. Take it out. And here we go again. Little cut, then bend. A little cut, bend, and then there is tool to do that, but I'm too lazy to take it. So turn it. I need to clean my fingers. Okay, moment. So you see, you can use this for your wiring system. Now let's see if this works. So we have nothing happens. Oh, happens. Oh, so we have 3 volt battery here. Let's see. Okay, now I have everywhere this. So then I meant these batteries Normally I see them inside battery powered tools. I use them for e-cigarettes. And let's see what happens with them. One here, another one. Whoa, whoa. Oh, this is poor. It burns. So. Oh, this is poor. And now is this one, small one. You see? You hear? Okay, and with this one. That was powerful. Okay. This are normally best batteries. LG chocolate. This one 3 volt. Let's make 6 volt. Attach two batteries. One side here, another side here. And now we have normal power, 6 volt. We have here, I don't know about how much ampere. Okay. Okay. I'm not good at electronics. Okay. We have working motor. I can use it in other projects, but as I said before, I have to open it and see what is inside of this. So, batteries 3.7, 3 and 3, 6. So it's possible to use these batteries. I have to check these ohm rules before attaching any batteries or power for that, for my own security, but okay. Let's go further. We want to open these screws and see. What is inside of this beautiful piece of motor? So, nothing. I couldn't get inside. I can take this out. I can break this down. But do you really want me to destroy this? If I take this out, is it possible to put some back again? Okay, let's make it. Why not? I started. I'll go till end. Okay, let's try to bend them. I don't want to break anything now in this point. Oh, you know, if you get some broken thing for nothing, you can collect them for no money and take out working motor and put some oil inside and build useful things. You can build your own ventilator, cooler system. I don't know, there's so many possibilities to do this. Such scraps. So I open it. One side done. Hopefully it has only two hands here. Okay. I don't want to break it. Please don't break it. Oh, as you see, we have our, I think it's further, also plus and minus. So, but there's no sign actually. You can mix them, I think. Problem is this magnet? Yes, it's magnet. When I put them back, I have to divide them again. So we have inside this. I take it out. There is something holding this. Doesn't want to go out. Moment. Ah, yeah. Why not? Okay. Okay, something. There is magnets. There's two magnets inside. So I don't have to buy new magnets. I need it. Magnets, okay. As you see, there's two magnets inside. And this is our main base of motor. Beautiful. Everything clean, smooth. So I think it's, and let's put it back again. But first we have to divide these two magnets. I don't know how to divide them. Okay, they are like lovebirds. Put this side inside. Like this. Zack. And zack. Okay. Now it's good. What will happen if I connect them in this position without magnets? Interesting. Let's do it. I wear my glasses. Is it small? Okay. Let's see what happens. Nothing. Nothing. So without, oh, it burned my finger. So without magnets there is no, I don't know, maybe I'm doing something wrong. So let's put it back inside this magnet box. It was something, so it was like this, or in other way maybe. No. Okay. Put it back. Put this back again. I have screws here. I can use screws even without this one. I think. For what? These screws? No, they only keep this one, this piece, so they don't have any contact with base. Or maybe yes. Let's check it again. So when I put it back, I haven't seen any contact of screws and base, no. Only thing that keeps it inside these tanks here. So I don't need this one. I put them back here. Okay. This one here, take battery. It works now. But the thing is, when I use it like this, there is no sound. It's very smooth and silent. But in its case, when I use that during work, let's say, the sound is loud. So that means if I put this motor in some case that absorbs sound and there is enough air circulation, it will be possible to build silent electronic tool. So it is not good enough. Somehow I have to press it. So I think it's enough. Okay. Yeah, that's good. A little bit more. A little bit moving left right, but not top down. So thanks for watching. If you have any ideas what to do with this, just write in comments. Bye.